So we have ordered a 3D pen from Blinkit. So let's unbox it. So we are going to tear this open, and this is the 3D print that we have ordered. So you can see this box image, and these are the details. It's from something okay, and this is what it looks like. So we are going to open it. So I have this. So okay. So we have got some filament, a 3D pen. Okay, with the sliding and the buttons. Okay, and this is the nozzle, and we have got a stand. So it goes like something like this, and we have got a charging or power cable. So we're going to untwist this, and this port connects to this pin over here, and this goes into your USB wall charger. So let's use a power bank, and let's see if it can let's see if we can power it using a power bank. So this is my MagSafe power bank, and going to connect this over here, and you can see it's light up and it's saying PLA, and if I press this down button, the temperature is now increasing, and okay, let's use one of their filaments. So or I have some filaments with me, so since I also have a 3D printer and this filament roll, we can just use this one. And what's the temperature? It's almost 190, and the green light comes on, and we can now press this button, and the motor is now pushing in the filament slowly. I don't know if you can see it or not, but if I just hold it, it's okay, and soon something from the other end should come out. So white filament, and then our blue filament, and we have it on max, and you can see the filament now oozing out. Okay, and we can increase its speed. So yeah, and we have a 3D pen.